All right, hi guys. Welcome to part 5 of the Beginner's Guide to Digital Notebooks and Planning. Today I'm going to talk about templates, what to look for when buying or using a template. Now, a template is the term that is used for what you're writing on in GoodNotes. So when you're in GoodNotes and you're creating a notebook, these are all the different templates that they have, right? So you have blank dotted paper. I mean, they have so much that you can use, but maybe you don't like it. And so then you'd probably go on Etsy. I like Etsy. And you're going to look for templates, paper, notebooks, whatever you need, you're going to look for that to purchase. Now, so you don't waste your money, you're going to want to make sure you know what you're looking for. Okay, so you want to make sure the templates that you're buying, if it's important to you. Now, you can buy a template that is just a paper template, right? It's just because you want one specific thing. For example, I sell these brainstorming page templates in a variety of colors. It's a very popular template. This is just a paper template. So people load it in and they use it. There is no hyperlinking in here. It's literally just a template so somebody can use it. Now, so when you're on Etsy or wherever you choose to buy your templates, you're going to want to make sure you know what you want. I'm trying to get to where I'm supposed to go here. Is hyperlinking important to you? So let's just say you're buying a notebook. Is that important to you? You want to make sure that you want to look for that word, hyperlinked. Okay, what is hyperlinked in the thing that you're going to buy? Are the tabs hyperlinked? Are your paper options hyperlinked? If you're purchasing a notebook, because this is a beginner's guide, I don't want to see you get, what's the word? I don't want you to lose any money, and I'm not, again, I mean, I've been making planners for a long time and there's so many good designers out there. So I just want to make sure that you get what you want, So if you're going to buy a planner, make sure it's hyperlinked, okay? Because a lot of people make planners, but are the days hyperlinked? So can you click on the little date boxes to jump around? Because otherwise your navigation is going to take you forever. Or is your monthly calendar hyperlinked? Or are your weeks hyperlinked? Okay, you want to make sure you can jump to a specific week. This week, honestly, it looks weird because it's my daughter's birthday and I have balloons everywhere. So I'll use this week. I just want to make sure, so before it's so exciting and there's so much out there, just make sure you get the lingo. Make sure if you're using GoodNotes, make sure it works in GoodNotes. Also, if printing things is very important to you. Now, all of my stuff is printable, but it's when I print, like if I wanted to print this page, for example, I'll reduce it. I'll go into Adobe and I'll print the PDF and it reduces 77%. So that way it fits on the page. A lot of people make and design letter-sized templates. So that way it just prints without resizing. Or they do A5 or they do A4. So, I mean, if you're planning on doing a lot of things and then printing it out, make sure you're looking for sizing on whatever you're buying, okay? But one thing I want to tell you is that you can make your own. So basically, all a template is, it's a PDF, right? That's all it is. So let's, right, and here I am a seller, but this is, you're creating or you're using a PDF and then the GoodNotes app allows you to write on that PDF. So I made this is stationary. Now, obviously I made this with Photoshop and other things, but if you want to make something in Microsoft Word, then save it as a PDF. You know, you can design your own stuff specific to you if you can't find it on Etsy or wherever, whatever marketplace you're shopping on. Just remember that. Keep that in the back of your mind. So if there's something super specific, you could do that. Now, also, I make all of my stuff, actually. My super technical stuff, I make it in in Keynote. The Apple Keynote, I do that all on my computer because that allows me to create hyperlinks. And that's where I've gotten it. I'm able to link. I design everything, obviously, and I bring in graphics as well, but I'm able to hyperlink all these specific things. So, you know, if you're proficient in Keynote, that is another tip from me to you. Maybe you can design something that you want specifically to suit you. But if you just want something very basic, just remember, it's all it is a PDF. Or also, if you did printable planners or, you know, printable things, maybe those items can be brought in to here and you can write on them too. So there's a lot of different options when it comes to templates, but just always keep in mind, it's a PDF. You know, bare bones, that's basically what it is. And you're just writing on it. You know, you can print it as well, but so you can also make it yourself. So I hope this helps or expands your mind a little bit as to the things that you can do with GoodNotes and, you know, your computer. Anyway, I hope this helps. So have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you later. Bye.